Hey everyone, welcome back to Cross, where we dive into everything bikes, gear, and motorcycle culture. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews, news, and all things moto. Today, we have something truly exciting in store for you. The highly anticipated 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400X. This bike has been turning heads since it was announced, and we're going to dive deep into everything you need to know about it. So grab a seat, kick back, and let's get into it. The 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400X is all about combining off-road prowess with street-friendly comfort. It's a bold new entry in the growing scrambler market, targeting riders who want the rugged, adventure-ready characteristics of a scrambler, but also want a bike that's versatile enough for daily commutes and weekend getaways. Triumph has consistently delivered motorcycles that balance power, style, and performance. And with the 400X, they've built on that reputation by creating a bike that feels like the perfect compromise between off-road capability and urban chic. Whether you're navigating city streets, hitting dirt trails, or cruising along scenic country roads, this Scrambler 400X aims to deliver a thrilling, versatile riding experience. Now, let's talk design. The Scrambler 400X takes clear inspiration from Triumph's heritage, especially their classic scramblers, but with a modern twist. The overall silhouette is aggressive yet classy, blending retro aesthetics with a more contemporary flair. Starting with the front, the Scrambler 400X features a round LED headlamp, paying homage to classic scrambler designs while providing modern lighting technology for maximum visibility on those night rides or low light conditions. The headlamp is housed in a metal bezel that has a vintage touch, and it's complemented by a high-mount front fender, giving that unmistakable scrambler look. The fuel tank is a beautiful piece of craftsmanship, with a sculpted design that speaks to both performance and style. The matte and gloss finishes on the tank create a sense of depth, and the Triumph logo is placed proudly on either side. One thing you'll notice right away is the tank's slim profile, which not only looks sleek, but also contributes to the bike's overall agility. The 400X comes with a high and wide handlebar, designed for off-road control, but also ensuring comfort for longer rides. The handlebar is paired with a digital TFT display, which gives you all the ride data you need in a sleek and minimalist package. You'll find things like trip information, fuel consumption, and a gear indicator, essential when you're off the beaten path and need to keep an eye on your bike's vitals. Moving to the side profile, the Scrambler 400X sports a set of chunky spoke wheels wrapped in knobby tires. These give the bike its off-road ready stance, and the high ground clearance means you can confidently tackle those rougher paths without worrying about scraping the bottom. Lastly, the exhaust is one of the standout design elements. It's a twin exit system with a brushed stainless steel finish positioned high on the right-hand side. This isn't just for looks, it's engineered to give the Scrambler its distinctive, throaty growl that many riders crave from a scrambler. Now, let's get into the heart of the Scrambler 400X, its engine and performance. At the core of this motorcycle is a brand new, liquid-cooled 398cc parallel twin engine. Triumph has managed to strike the perfect balance between power and efficiency with this engine, and it provides an exciting 40 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 37 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPM. The engine delivers smooth, responsive power delivery whether you're cruising on the road or tackling some dirt trails. The 400X feels like it has a healthy amount of grunt for both on and off-road riding, and the power is very usable across a wide range of conditions. The engine feels very refined with a smooth power band that avoids any jerky or abrupt power surges, which can be a common issue with less refined scramblers. What sets the Scrambler 400 bikes apart, especially for a bike in the 400cc range, is how it handles both the city streets and the dirt roads. Its torque curve makes it very adaptable. When you're riding on the street, the bike is smooth, stable, and has enough power to handle overtakes or long stretches of highway. But once you hit some gravel or uneven terrain, the Scrambler 400X transforms into a capable off-roading companion with ample torque to get you up inclines and through rough patches. Triumph has also equipped the Scrambler 400X with a 6-speed gearbox, which is smooth and precise. The gearbox provides the right gear for both leisurely cruising and spirited riding, whether you're pushing through corners or tackling off-road trails. The suspension system of the Scrambler 400X is designed to take on all kinds of terrain. It features a set of long travel suspension forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. The 40 front forks are fully adjustable, which is a rarity in this class of bike. This gives you the freedom to fine-tune the suspension for different riding styles and conditions. Whether you prefer a firmer setup for street riding or a softer setup for off-road excursions, the Scrambler 400X's suspension delivers the goods. The rear shock absorbers are also adjustable for preload, allowing you to fine-tune the ride to your weight and preferences. In terms of off-road capability, the long suspension travel means you'll have better control over rough, bumpy trails, and you won't bottom out as easily on obstacles. When it comes to handling, the Scrambler 400X shines. Thanks to its slim profile and agile nature, this bike handles surprisingly well on tight city streets. It leans into corners with confidence, and the chassis is responsive, providing you with a sense of connection to the road or trail. On the dirt, it's even more impressive. The combination of the long suspension travel, knobby tires, and solid chassis design makes it feel right at home when the pavement ends. Whether you're tackling gravel, mud, or light trails, the Scrambler 400X handles with ease, offering both stability and agility. For stopping power, the Scrambler 400X is equipped with a set of Brembo brakes, a 320-time disc at the front, and a 255 disc at the rear. This setup ensures you have excellent braking power whether you're on the road or in more demanding off-road conditions. The feel at the lever is progressive, and the bike has excellent stopping power even in wet or slippery conditions. In terms of safety, Triumph has equipped the Scrambler 400X with a suite of modern features to give you confidence on all types of terrain. It comes with dual-channel ABS, which can be switched off for off-road riding, giving you more control when you need to slide or lock up the rear wheel. The traction control system is also present, ensuring that you have optimal grip whether you're on dirt or pavement. The ride-by-wire throttle system offers smooth power delivery, which helps you maintain control, especially when navigating tricky surfaces. Comfort-wise, the Scrambler 400X is a great all-rounder. The seat is nicely padded and offers a good amount of support for both short and long rides. It's not overly firm or plush, but rather just the right amount of cushioning to keep you comfortable during longer rides, while still being firm enough to provide good control when standing on the pegs off-road. The ergonomics are also spot on. The handlebar is high and wide, which is perfect for off-road riding, providing excellent leverage for tackling rough terrain. The foot peg placement is just right for both street and off-road riding, and it offers a natural standing position when you are riding on trails. In terms of tech, the Scrambler 400X comes with some cool features that really elevate the riding experience. The TFT display is a standout feature, giving you ride data at a glance. You can also connect your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to access navigation, music, and calls while you're on the go. The display is clear, easy to read in direct sunlight, and concisable to suit your preferences. One of the more unique features of the Scrambler 400X is the ride mode. It comes with 3 different ride modes: road, off-road, and rain. Each mode adjusts the throttle response, traction control, and ABS settings to suit the riding conditions. It's a great feature for those who want the bike to adapt to various environments. So, what's the price for this bike? The 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400X is expected to hit the market at a competitive price point in the $6,500, $7,000 range, which is quite reasonable given the features, build quality, and performance it offers. In conclusion, the 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400X is a fantastic addition to the Scrambler world. It's a great balance of style, performance, and versatility. Whether you're looking for a bike for daily commuting, weekend adventures, or just want something that stands out on the road, the Scrambler 400X delivers. And that wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400X. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you as excited as I am about this bike? If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews, tests, and all things motorcycles. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the road. Ride safe. A review.